Several pigs die of unknown disease across Dolamara. World AIDS Day celebration observed at Thong Nok Bay College. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbeng Long Live News, your visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In the latest development, an unknown disease has claimed lives of a huge number of pigs in several villages across Dolamara. Our correspondent has sent us this report. Rearing pigs are an important part of the livelihood of Karbis spread across the region, and it is one of the sources of income and asset kept for emergency purposes. And many Karbi families keep around 2 to 5 pigs in a year, but the deaths of several pigs due to unknown disease are causing huge panic and concerns among the residents of Dolamara area. Moreover, the death of several pigs is causing huge losses to the families who have been rearing pigs for years. Some villagers told Karbeng Long Live that the pigs which have been vaccinated have died, following which many families have refused to vaccinate their pigs for fear of losing their pigs. Many villagers who did not vaccinate their pigs are still alive and safe. Regardless of these claims and statements, the deaths of several pigs inside Dolamara area are causing huge concern among the people of the area. Arjit Sondrongpa reporting from Dolamara for Karbeng Long Live. With the objective to spread awareness against HIV and AIDS, the Thong Nok Bay College of Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong had observed the World AIDS Day on Tuesday. HIV and AIDS are dreadful and they have often ruined the lives of people. Therefore, there is need to create the awareness among people, especially the youths, so that they can remain safe from the virus and the disease. Under the directions of the World Health Organization, the 1st of December is observed as World AIDS Day. Like the rest of the world, the day was observed by Dokmoka Thong Nok Bay College under the initiative of Department of History and the Red Ribbon Club.
Make them understand, to make them know what exactly is AIDS. Our role, to extend our solidarity and our support to the communities or to the people who are already living with HIV, not AIDS.
Kini laso keso tirthe adang indang fluplo lapen laso keso ipong le ilitum HIV positive lo plote negative kapamanya pan pinianian ta ilitum long vaksin ngati biji baduai abelang.
During the event, Dr. Bireswar Bey and Dr. Thaneswar Teroin jointly shared about the preventive measure to be followed to avoid AIDS and HIV. They say that younger generation has a big role to play in this regard, as they are the one to shape the future of the world as well as the state of the feared disease and virus. The program was held in the presence of Principal Professor Dhananjay Narjari, Professor Bablu Basumatari and other teachers, non-teaching staffs and many students. Samsing Ingti from Dongmokak, Karbeng Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Karbeng Long Mom's Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kachapatielong. Kachapati journey lake matijong ni phai krehini adim lake Joysin Doloi Auditorium Hall dikhu. Laban ning chibik tha bang suarni kelang dona bang pu bang phatum an setamin ang hodi kachku ting nei ki. Welcome back to Karbeng Long Live after the break. With the start of pre-Christmas days, Langherang Baptist Church began their home visit of its members who settled in Dipu Town. Our Poloni correspondent brings you this report. The Langherang Baptist Church is affiliated to Nihang Karbi Baptist Association and several of its members are also now based in Dipu. The home visit program of the Langherang Baptist Church has been undertaken as part of its goals of encouraging their members through sharing of the words and prayers for each other. The home visit program of the church in Dipu began at the home of its member Mongol Terang, who is now based in Seranglong village. The first home visit program, which was chaired by Associate Pastor Thong Teron, was attended by Langherang Baptist Church Pastor Himai Rongpar and KBA Evangelist Kamson Terang, Youth Department General Secretary Dirchuna Rongpi, and several other members of the church. Dirchuna Rongpi from Puloni for Karbing Long Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live.